Hey everyone, thank you for watching today's video. I am so excited to do because I am going to be unboxing the spring box for Fabfitfun. This box is huge. This video is sponsored by Fabfitfun and I am so excited to partner with them on this video. This is my first Fabfitfun unboxing on my channel, which has me so excited. If you guys are not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription service. So every 3 months or 4 times a year, you would get a box. This one is the spring box. The boxes are $49.99, but they do contain over $200 worth of products in there. And what always has intrigued me about Fabfitfun is that it's not just beauty and makeup, but it's also lifestyle, fashion, and fitness, which that part always has me really pumped up. I watch everybody's Fabfitfun unboxings because I just think it's so cool to see what is inside these boxes. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this unboxing. I do also have a discount code. They did give me one for $10 off of your first box. It is not an affiliate code, so I don't make a commission off of it. It's just if you want to try out Fabfitfun, you can get $10 off of your first box. But if you would like to see what is inside my spring box, why don't we go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so inside it does have this own little like newspaper guy, and then inside it will have everything listed out that can come in the box. The paper kind of explains everything, and then it just has all these different little articles in here. They talk about the charity in there, which I think is a lot of fun. It explains the products that come inside the Fabfitfun box. So this was really fun to go through, and then also it will have all of the prices for everything that you get in your box. It will have that listed in there, so if you're someone who likes to add up the total, you can do that with this paper. First item that was on top, I don't feel like it's not necessarily like a part of the box, but I wanted to mention it because I think I'm gonna finally do it. They included a coupon for HelloFresh, and it says it's for $50 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping, and I think that I'm gonna do it. It's the subscription service for food. I do not cook, and I'm just really curious about this. They deliver it all right to you. I've watched videos about it. It looks really cool. Has anybody tried HelloFresh? Because now that I got this, I'm like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. So I just thought I'd mention that because I thought that was pretty cool, and it's something that I genuinely want to try out. One thing that I really like about subscription boxes and watching people unbox them is seeing what gets them excited, because it's usually something different for everybody because we're all different people. I know. So it's fun to see what has people excited or what has people like, this is something that I wanted to get, and that sort of thing. So I'm excited to let you guys know what has me the most excited of this box, and to see if I like surprise anybody by what my choices are. First up here we have a candle, which this one did have me excited, and I feel like if you do follow me on other platforms, you probably know because we typically always have a candle. I don't ever have like a candle running in my background, but we typically have a candle in like our kitchen living area, and I do appreciate having them. So this is number 15 in fresh linen, and it was so funny because I pulled this out of the box and I smelled it, and I was like, oh, it smells like laundry. And I had my husband smell it. He goes, no, it smells like fresh linen. And I'm like, did you look at the box? How'd you know that's what it was called? So this is what the candle looks like, and it does. It smells like fresh linen. It smells like laundry. It says it has mandarin orange, kaffir lime, probably saying that wrong, clover, white tea, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, and I just enjoy it. It says it's the Sunset Collection candle in fresh linen, and these are $45. Whew, that is an expensive candle. It's very heavy too. So I really enjoy candles, so that one is definitely a win for me. You know, of course, with subscription boxes, you always kind of run the risk of, will everything work for you? Will the majority of items work for you, and things like that? So I was really happy to find a candle in there. And then the next item also has me really excited, and I feel like this one's kind of random, but it did. So this one is a sleeping mask. So it came in this little bag like this, and when I pulled it out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a legit sleeping mask, and I'm really excited about it. I got a sleeping mask a couple months ago, and I've never really been one to wear them, but I started having problems sleeping and just falling asleep, waking up in the middle of the night, waking up multiple times in the middle of the night. I was having all kinds of issues, and I always had the sleeping mask sitting next to my bed, and one night I was like, I'm just gonna try it, and it has helped me tremendously. I don't know, I guess I've just never really knew why people wore sleeping masks. I don't know, or I just never had the need for them, and since I've had trouble sleeping, I've started using it, and now I use it almost every single night. And I've been telling Mitch about it because now Mitch is having trouble sleeping as well, of course, and he's been asking about a sleeping mask. So when I got this, I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep this one, and then you can have my other one because it's just like a basic black one. This one is a little bit more girly. So what's really cool is inside it has like the cooling insert, because when I took it out, I was like, ooh, this has something in it. So what I can do is like a couple hours before bed, I can pop it into like the fridge and it'll get cooling. So then when I put it on my eyes, that's the part that I'm most excited for with this mask. So I was really excited when I saw this, and now Mitch can have my other one and I can have this one, and we can finally fall asleep and sleep through the night, and it will be lovely. So that is the Free People Understated Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask, and it says these are $40. Woo! It says store the cooling pouch in the fridge to help depuff weary eyes. So I thought that one was really exciting. So that was good for me. So next up in here, I do have a jewelry piece. So this is the little bag that it came in, and this is from Maya Brenner Designs. It says it is a love bracelet. I'm not gonna lie, when I first pulled it out, I thought it was a necklace, and then I was kind of examining it and I was like, no, that seems way too small for a necklace, but it is a bracelet, which I actually like that more. I'm not a huge jewelry wearer. I've been wearing earrings the last couple days, which is really exciting for me. I typically wear a watch, but like bracelets and necklaces, I don't wear a ton, but I tend to lean towards bracelet versus necklaces. So I thought this one was really pretty, and it says love on it. Again, not a huge jewelry person, so I can kind of like take or leave jewelry, but this one, it says it is $65. Whew! It says tip, pair this dainty piece with a statement watch. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Huh, I wouldn't have thought of that. I like those little tips in there. I don't have the brain for that, so that's awesome. So next up here, this came in a bag like this. I want to show you guys how everything came as well. This is a Rachel Poly reversible clutch, and it says it will come in 3 different shades. And this is very large. If you can see inside, I'll try to do some close-ups as well, but this is very large. This could be a good travel bag or a good travel makeup bag, skincare bag, especially if you're going out of town for like more than a night or two. I feel like you can really fit a lot into this, so that's pretty cool. I don't think the print is necessarily fully me, and I can see the pictures of like what the other prints would look like. None of them are necessarily my taste, but this is such a large bag that I feel like it could be really nice for traveling. And this one is $60, and again, it says it is reversible. It says you can use the pattern side to add a pop of color and use the reverse side to more elaborate outfits. So there is that clutch. Next up in here, we have a lip palette, and this one is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. So this is what the palette looks like, and then inside you do have a mirror and a bunch of different lip shades, and then it also does come with a brush. I am not a lip palette kind of girl, so this one doesn't get me super hyped, and I would pass this one on to someone who would use a lip palette more. I think lip palettes are really good for makeup artists, or if you do other people's makeup quite a bit, even if you're not a makeup artist, things like that. But I know plenty of other people that do enjoy lip palettes. It just isn't really an item that gets me going. It says the lip palette is $42, so if you're into lip palettes, you would like that one. Up in here was some skincare from Murad, which had me pretty excited because I've only tried a few products from Murad, but I hear pretty good things about the brand. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. It says it's an ultra light, oil-free moisturizer to help blemish-prone skin stay smooth and healthy while also providing hydration, which is what I need. Hydration. I need lots of help right now, and I think I'm having more breakouts because I'm having problems sleeping, and we're going through, you know, feels stressful time in our life right now and all that fun stuff. So I'm excited to try this out. It says that it is $40, and it also helps to minimize the appearance of pores and refines texture and soothes redness and irritation. So some skincare from Murad, which that has me excited. I will be keeping that and trying that out. Then I also saw a product here from Dove. This is a crushed macadamia and rice milk exfoliating body polish. I'm excited about this one as well. Anything with like exfoliating my body, I'm into that. So I'm definitely going to be putting the Dove exfoliating body polish in my shower, so I was excited about that. Next up, I have this item here from Kors, and this is a body butter. Again, this is something that I will be keeping. I love body butters, I love lotions, but especially when I hear butter and I think of like a really like thick hydratingness for my poor dry skin here in Iowa, I get pretty excited about it. I hear really good things about the brand Kors as well, so I'm excited to try this one out. It says that this guy is $24, so again, I will be holding on to the Kors body butter, and I'm excited about that. Next up in the box is this Derma Select Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler, and when I pulled it out, I was like, what does that mean? And I looked on the back, it says it's the first peptide-infused anti-aging nail treatment. It says that you can strengthen weak, brittle, hard-to-grow nails or treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. I actually did just go out and put my nails back on today. I was without acrylics for about 4 days and I was driving myself crazy. And so when I first pulled this out, I was like, okay, it's a nail product, so I don't need to keep it. But then when I read it, I was like, actually, I am going to keep it. This is what it looks like. And since I can now take acrylics off at home, obviously when you take acrylics off, your nails just look horrible, feel horrible, and all of that. So I think the next time that I take my acrylics off to let my nails have a breather, it will be nice to have this around to kind of help start repairing them before I go and put nails back on them. So I am going to keep this one for the next time that I take my acrylics off. So it just says it's a peptide infused concealer plus treatment anti-aging ridge filler. So I'm actually excited about this. Once I figured out what it was and how it could help me out with like my personal nail stuff, I was excited about it. So if you're someone who you just have like the really brittle nails, maybe nails that peel or crack or break a lot, you could try something like this. Or if you're someone who gets acrylics or like gel polishes a lot and you want to take a break from it, this could help in that kind of like in between time. So I'm excited about this one. And then the final item that I have is the one that not only I'm the most excited about, but also my husband. And it is this physique massage roller. I pulled it out and was like, yes! And then when Mitch came home, I was like, look what came in the box, and he was so pumped up. We have had this on like our shopping list forever to get something like this, so we are excited. We've already been using it the past couple days on like our backs, shoulders, even like I do a lot of leg workouts, so I've been rolling this on my legs. Oh, I am so happy to have this. Okay, so this is the Physique 57 Massage Roller. It says, does wonders for sore, achy muscles. I would agree. Improves flexibility, break up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. And this is $20. So honestly, I don't know if this sounds weird, but this is the thing that I was most excited about in the box and that we've used several times over now. So not only me, but also my husband has been getting use out of this, which I think is awesome. So that is everything that came in my Fabfitfun box. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the unboxing. I'm really excited because the majority of the contents are items that work for me, that I will be keeping, that I will be using. And like I said, I like that this one is a little bit different from just makeup and beauty because I'm excited to have a candle, for example. I'm excited for this foam roller, for the sleeping mask, like items that wouldn't come in just a makeup or beauty subscription box. So I'm really excited to have some of those. There's just a few items in here that aren't my personal taste or something that I would get use out of. But on a whole, most of the items in my box worked out well for me and I'm really excited to try them. So if you guys get a Fabfitfun box, let me know what you got in your box, or if you haven't received it yet, what have you seen in my box that you are hoping that you will receive? I would love to know. Again, a big thank you to Fabfitfun for sponsoring this video with me, and I hope that you guys are excited to see some more unboxings in the future. Again, if you do not have the subscription yet and you would want to sign up for it, I will have that code for the $10 off your first box down in the description box, along with the links and all of that other information. So that will be down there if you are interested. But as always, if you guys did find this video helpful or enjoyable in some way, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will also consider subscribing before you go, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video.